Hello, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Welcome to the galaxy of computers. Saving yourself from COVID 19 is the main aim these days. So keep yourself safe and learn through the process of e learning. So, without wasting much of your time, let's start a new chapter, Chapter 5. MS PowerPoint 2007 means Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So, let's start. Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 helps us to communicate or express our views and ideas effectively using diagrams and photos, charts and clip arts, sound, color and animated special effects. So it's a powerful tool. Combination of these all things makes our presentation very attractive and interactive. PowerPoint provides additional features to organize the information in tabular format, means in the form of table. So you can see one table is there. Here, serial number, name, Hindi, English and total are the attributes of column. Serial number has value 1 to 5. Similarly, name has value A to E. Hindi has its different marks and English also. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. So this table contains many rows and columns. So in this way we learn how to handle a table in PowerPoint. So what we will learn today, how to insert a table first, then how to enter the data in that, then table tools and how to make your table very attractive by applying borders, styles and many more features. So let's start. Go to the start button. In the search option, write PowerPoint. Click on it. Then change the layout of the slide to title and content. Children, you can see one option is there to insert a table. Click on this. Select the number of rows 5 and columns also 5 and click on the OK. So you can see here is one table. This is the first method. Second one, go to the insert table. From the first 3 rows and 3 columns, you can insert a table. So here you can see there are 2 methods by which you can insert a table on a slide. So let's have a quick review how to apply a design on a slide. Go to the design option and here are so many designs. You may select according to your wish. So after this, we will start entering the data in a table. So firstly, click on the first cell of the table, means first row and first column. So here I will write roll number. So next is name. You may go in the next cell with the help of tab key. So next is English marks, then Hindi and then total of it. In the roll number column 1, then 2 and then 3. In the name option you may write anything according to your own wish. In marks also it's your wish whatever you want to write. you can write here. So in this way you can enter the data in the given table and you can apply so many designs on a slide. And now we will learn how to insert a row or column in the given table. In this table, I forgot to enter the data of a student named O. So firstly, what I will do, I will click on the P option, right click over there, go to the insert option and insert rows below. So I can see one row is here. So I will copy the data of P by selecting it, Ctrl C, and will paste in my new cell and delete the data of P from the third row. So now if you want to add or insert one new column for marks of another subject, click here, go to the insert option and column to the right. So now you can see one column has been inserted. So in this way you may insert rows and columns. If you want to delete any column, just click on that column, right click over there and delete columns. You can see the column has been deleted. As soon as we create a table in PowerPoint, there is an option Table tool appears. Then go to the design option and select your table type. You can see here are numerous of table styles. You can select any one according to your own wish. Now you can see I can apply shading to it. Like this, you may choose any color to apply shade. Then see borders. If you want to apply borders among all the cells, select all borders. If you want to select no border, then select the no border option. So in this way you may apply border to the table. So here is one more example by which you can change the table borders, its designs and colors. Go to the design option and select any one design according to your wish. Then go to the shading option and apply shades like this. Is it clear, children? Now see how to apply border through draw borders option. Select the pen color of red color. So select it and drop it on the corners of the cell. You may see there are changes and it's becoming of red color. So in this way you may apply shading, border and effects to your table. You may change the border style from the draw borders group. You may change the border style like dotted one or this sort of or the straight border. You may change its width also. For example, I am taking 3 point, so it will be a little darker rest the others. So if you want to highlight something, so you may choose any of the options. For example, if I am choosing 6 point and drawing the border, it will be of a little higher width. Now we will learn about the alignment of the text. If you want to align the text to the middle of the table, so just select the text, go to the home and center align. If you want to make it a little visible with the heavy font, so select the font accordingly. You may change the color of the font also. It's your wish, whichever color you want to select, you may select. So there are so many options by which you can align the text. Now if you want to align the text towards the right, so select the align text right option. So in this way, you may select the text and align it accordingly.